Good morning, everyone. So my topic for today is all about jive basic to arch turn. The jive is a lively and energetic Latin American dance characterized by its fast tempo and quick footwork. It's known for its bouncy, swinging movements and incorporates elements of basic jive steps. Number 1, the basic. This is the foundation of the jive. It consists of a 4-count pattern. Count 1. The leader steps forward with their left foot while the follower steps back with their right foot. Count 2. The leader steps back with their right foot while the follower steps forward with their left foot. Count 3. Both partners step together to the left with the leader stepping with their left foot and the follower with their right foot. Count 4. Both partners steps together to the right with the leader stepping with their right foot and the follower with their left foot. 2. The rock. This is a simple step that involves rocking back and forth. Count 1 and 2. The leader steps back with their right foot, then steps forward with their left foot. Count 3 and 4. The leader steps back with their left foot, then steps forward with their right foot. 3. The throwaway. This is a more dynamic step that involves a slight turn. Count 1 and 2. The leader steps back with their right foot, then steps forward with their left foot. Count 3 and 4. The leader steps back with their left foot, then steps forward with their right foot, turning slightly to the right. Transitioning to an arch turn. From the basic. After completing a basic step, the leader can initiate the arch turn by stepping back with their right foot, count 1, and then stepping forward with the leader can transition from a rock step by stepping back with their left foot, count 3, and then stepping forward with their right foot, count 4, turning slightly to the right. From the throwaway, the leader can continue the turn from the throwaway step, keeping the momentum going. So this is the arch turn. Initiation. The leader steps back with their left foot, keeping their right foot planted. Count 1. 2. Rotation. The leader pivots on their right foot, turning their body to the right while keeping their left leg extended behind them. The follower mirrors the movement, turning to the left. 3. Arch. As the leader rotates, they bend their left knee and raise their left leg, creating an arch with their body. The follower mirrors the movement, bending their right knee and raising their right leg. 4. And the last one, last but not the least, number 4, completion. The leader completes the turn by straightening their left leg and stepping forward with their right foot. The follower mirrors the movement, straightening their right foot. That's all. Thank you.